Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see the deleted apps on Play Store. So here I'm going to open the Google Play Store first. This one's right here. And then here, after you open the Google Play Store, you need to click on your profile photo at the top, and then go to manage apps and device. Click on that, and then here you can see manage. Click on manage, and here at the top you'll find installed updates available games. So this is the filter. You can just click on the install option and choose not installed. Okay, so here you'll find the list of the apps that you deleted in your device. So you've installed it on your phone, but then you delete it, and the apps will be show up here. So in case you want to reinstall the app, you can just find it here and then click on the apps and click on install. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can see deleted apps in Play Store. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.